Good morning everyone and welcome to my day video. It's 5:30 in the morning and I'm ready to rock and roll. Let's go! The first part of my trip is done now with the metro and then we're going to the airport next. These are all my fellow morning flyers. And what we're going to do today is that we're going to travel through Germany to Sweden, and I will tell you later what happens in Sweden. When I was younger, they always wanted to thoroughly check me up. I don't know, maybe I looked like a terrorist when I was traveling, but now, when you get older, they don't care that much anymore. Now I'm through from the security and it's time for some breakfast. This is cheese pie. And now we're getting out of the flight in Munich. Yes, as and hallo aus Deutschland. I like airports like this that has open concept and it's all white space so all of the light can come in. I like it how cool and clean the Munich airport is. You could eat on the floor. They're so clean. Look how nice these are. I really like this chocolate. And this is the other one. There are also teddy bears. And here we're hanging around with Victoria's Secret models. Not really, no. Do you remember my video from the Christmas? When I went to Frankfurt, the Christmas markets, they had hundreds and thousands of these over there. This is also a very good idea. You can buy only a couple of mandarins in the bag like they switch you to the airplane, or apples or other kind of fruits. They're called fruits to go. This is something I remember from my childhood, from our holidays to Germany. These wieners in a glass jar. This is Deutsche Museum lounge area over here. And they have some kind of game here. Of course I'm gonna try it, but it's in German. I will push start. Look. Alright, let's see. I can change the... Oh no, I crashed down. Oh, I think I have 0 points. Oh, I found the English menu now. Drive to the location of the research station, pick up the astronaut and bring him back to the landing module. Now we're in the moon this time. Okay, let's go. I love this game, but I'm probably very bad with this. There is the research station, can you see? On the horizon. No, we're going to the wrong place. There. Oh, no. You shouldn't give me a moon vehicle because, look, I'm like drunk with this thing. Oh, hello, here we are. No. There. Yes. This new Yves Saint Laurent is actually very good. I like it. This is Armani's Privé collection. They look like this, and here you take it and you can smell the scent inside. So it's Armani Privé Haute Couture Fragrance. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's Haute Couture Fragrance. Here we have some endless possibilities to shop until you drop. But I travel so much that if I would buy something every single time I travel, well, I wouldn't have any money left. With €6.90 you could get your own frog with gold inside the ball. I like this lamp. It's a little monkey holding a bulb. This is the electronic info lady about air information.
We ask all remaining passengers of Lufthansa Star Alliance flight LH2416 to Stockholm to proceed to gate K22. Thank you.
This one is mine. So this one is flight number 2 today. Let's go.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and hello dear kids. Your safety is for us always very important. And due to the heavy booking situation this morning flight to Stockholm Arlanda International Airport,
I have one tip for you. When you go inside the aeroplane and you have a normal seat and there are exit seats available, after you hear the command boarding completed, you can ask from the cabin crew to change your place. And if they're kind enough, you can do it. And I was lucky on this plane. Look at all of this gorgeous space. This is like a dance floor. It's like 3 meters or so. So maybe I will ask the cabin crew to join me for a couple of dances while we're on the air.
ladies and gentlemen, dear kids, as to the left,
Välkomna till Sverige. Bye bye belt. I cut my luggage. And now we're going out. And this time I'm extremely lucky because my hotel is next to the airport, so I don't have to drag my bag anywhere actually. I will go and ask from the information of Arlanda Visitor Center. I got my instructions to go to the hotel. I go further on, up with the lift and left, and I should be there. Obviously I'm supposed to go towards the Sky City shopping and service center and pass this and go left. We will see what's gonna happen. The hotel is right there. I have to show this here, I think, and then go to the top floor. Okay, we're here. Down here. Yes, it's this one. It's this one. Oh, it's great. There's a party already. Din 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 din. Here is the hotel room this time. Here is my bed. It's very funky with some chilies on the wall, and this is some samba theme room, obviously. Interesting mirror. What's this supposed to be? And here is my view. Okay, interesting, but on the corner over there I can see some airplanes. And the toilet looks like this. Alright, this is very basic. I have bathtub, a shower, telephone if I need to call someone, hair dryer, yeah, and the basic Radisson shampoo, conditioners. I will start unpacking, and I have like 1 hour or so, and then we have to continue. Here is my ticket, and I'm heading to the Stockholm city center. This is the famous Drottningsgatan, that means Queen Street, that is going to the old town. And this is one of the main shopping streets on downtown of Stockholm. This here is exactly what I'm looking for when I come to the old city of Stockholm. To get lost to these little alleys over here and to find something unique and nice.
I put them in the dough by myself.
Okay.
This one was burned. It's not my fault.
So this is how you put the dough in?
Yes, I put this on.
Okay, and you close the lid.
And goes around.
And this is ready.
I twist up 2 of them like this with my hand.
Oh, you're very handy with this.
Yeah.
So this is only for ice cream, right?
Yeah, this is the ice cream cones.
Okay.
And we also do these cups.
Oh.
Homemade cups.
Yeah. Let me try to zoom in. Okay, so there are also handmade cups for ice cream as well. If only you can smell the scent that is coming from these waffles, it's amazing. But I have to go now. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a good day. So these candies are what Sweden is very famous of. This is called Vloggaa, and it's handmade candies. And you can find these candies in any kind of color, but the shape is usually this one that you can see here. This says Äkta gränna Vloggaa. That means that this is the original one from 1859, when this candy was established for the first time. And of course I have to try this. Hello from Sweden! Look how nice these trays are. These are mostly from Gamla Stan, the old town of Stockholm. And here we have some winter edition as well. This is a wooden toy from a certain area of Sweden. This is the classic model. And you can find any kind of color of this classic toy nowadays. And of course Pippi Långstrump is from here. This building is massive. It's real royal palace. In Swedish it's Kungliga slottet. I can come back to Old Town of Stockholm any day, over and over and over again. I love the architecture, I love the little shops, the alleys, the streets. Everything about it is so charming. Hi, I'm back from the Old Town of Stockholm, and this is after my speech, my inspirational speech about dreams and hopes in everybody's life and how they can change your life. If I want to walk a little bit in the evening from my hotel, this is my street. Many times I have a sea view when I go for a walk from my hotel, but this time I can see airplanes. And I had 24/7 restaurants, shops, different services. I like this a lot. I could actually live here. Look, this is what I see on my evening walk. Before you leave from my channel, leave your comment, like my channel and subscribe. See you later. Bye bye. Oh, I think I'm going the wrong direction now. Yeah. Yeah, no, I picked the wrong. Why? This is always happening to me. After you hear the command, exactly. Do you remember my? And please
personal call.
listen to this announcement.
John